Hi, I'm Sarah from Made Simple. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own lovely moisturising body cream. You can use one of our body cream making kits, or you might have your own ingredients that you want to try yourself. I've got Oliver here and he's going to help me. I'll read out the instructions and we'll show you how easy it is to make your own body cream. Oliver's going to use the double boiler method, which is where we have a pot of boiling water, and within that pot a glass jug. You could use a little glass jar or something like that as well. I'm going to start melting the ingredients. So start with the hardest ingredients first, which is the beeswax in this case.
As you can see, they're melting and turning into liquid. I'm going to start pouring the oil in now.
So those aren't fully melted yet. You can see there's a couple of little bits there, and some of the stuff in the middle is not fully liquid, so we want it to be fully liquid without absolutely boiling the ingredients. And already while we're talking you can see that that's pretty much gone to liquid now. So that's pretty good. So then lastly we add in the packet of tapioca starch. Once the ingredients have melted and you've taken those off the stove, we want to cool the jar of ingredients down. So here we've got a bowl of water and we've also put some ice cubes in it. Stir using that stirrer. We're going to do this continuously until the ingredients just start to set slightly. This could take a little while. We're probably going to fast forward this bit.